Hello and welcome. It's Melissa here, and thanks for joining me. This is for all the mothers out there or for anyone in between. If you have a loved one that you would like to host a special brunch for, you've come to the right place. For those of you who have seen my videos before, you will know that I have a love for Tablescape. Any excuse is a good excuse as ever. So let me walk you through some easy steps on how to make a Tablescape as pretty as ever, as well as some easy and healthy snacks to go with it. So let's check it out.
So now the first thing to do when decorating a table, and hey, Mother's Day is a great excuse as ever, is to start with layers. And for this table setting, I decided to go with a simple white and blue theme. I absolutely love white and blue porcelain. I love that transferware. And so, hey, why not make a nice intimate table setting? And the great thing about the blue and white porcelain is it's okay to have it mismatch, and it's okay to go and find to your heart's content at thrift stores. You can buy online new, or you can buy at vintage shops for old, and it still looks beautiful and eclectic. And now this is a really simple triangle and make another triangle kind of fold for your table. And I'll just show you again. It's folded into a triangle and then fold again. And you can see at the bottom, I really didn't want it to look too neat and tied together. So the messier and more carefree you can make that napkin, the better. And then you can top it off with a flower. You can go with fake or real. I went with fake because, hey, I have it, and why not use something without spending the money? And then to add some repetition in my table, I went ahead with using a simple table centerpiece with the same flowers. And now a great way to add a little treat for any type of brunch or lunch that you will have for guests is little fruit kabobs. And what I love about creating these kabobs is you can go ahead and buy something fancy like these bamboo skewers, and you can buy store-bought pre-cut fruit, and it will look pretty no matter how you put it together. Woo! I dare someone to say that 10 times fast. And then just add your fruit kabobs to any type of platter. I chose blue to go with my theme, and you were all set. And now you could add maybe some nice soups or salads, or you can have maybe a 5-course meal all ready for your guests. But regardless of your meal that you will serve, your table is all set and ready for everyone's enjoyment. So let me know what you think. Do you like this table? If so, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. It always helps to grow my channel. Until next time, I hope this has helped you to stay inspired, and happy decorating.